We've come a long way since 1939.
Roy Gaddis said it best: we manufacture the most complete line of spreaders in the world. Our agricultural products include a combination lime and fertilizer spreader, and we manufacture several types of spreaders used to sand icy roads and to resurface highways.
Since our beginning, we've been designers,
innovators,
manufacturers.
We've stayed local.
Through different owners.
And different products. We've been one thing.
An Iowa manufacturing company.
When we started to outgrow D Avenue.
We built a new facility and expanded our manufacturing capabilities.
when we wanted unlimited year-round testing.
We built the testing facility
and increased our product development opportunities.
And when we wanted to expand our global reach,
we opened the new leader facility in São Paulo, Brazil.
We've been leaders in our industries
because of our fearlessness to forge ahead.
To lead change.
To enter the unknown.
We are leaders.
And it's time our name and logo show who we are.
Same owners, same stellar workforce, same product quality, and same extraordinary service.
We are New Leader Manufacturing, the proud makers of New Leader and highway equipment.